This time we stayed at Blackwell Island RV Park in Coeur d'Alene, Idaho. We were told this part of the United States was absolutely gorgeous, and it sure was. The Coeur d'Alene Lake is a beautiful area, but check out all the other areas that we visited too.
We're Dave and Karen from Wax on Wheels, and we sold our sticks and bricks to RV full-time now that we are retired. We travel with our heavy-duty truck Leroy, our two K&L motorcycles, our DRV Dixie, and our smart car Zippy. Don't forget to subscribe and click on that bell to be notified when we post a new video.
Traveling on I-95 north from Grangeville, Idaho to Coeur d'Alene, Idaho was one of the most beautiful scenic drives we have ever seen.
As your navigator, you have 0.5 miles to turn right on a Marina Drive. Navigator out.
Guess I better start dropping the flaps here, slow her down.
Turn right on South Marina Drive.
Okay.
This looks like it, huh?
Do my best. Blackwell Island RV Park.
Arriving at 800 South Marina Drive on the left.
Okay, which way we gotta go here?
Well, Marina Center, no. Blackwell Island RV Park, yes. Please check in. Stop up here. Make sure you stay to the right. And I'll run inside. Yeah, past the dumpsters. I follow that black car. So they're fully booked. Past the dumpsters.
To the left.
Yes. Then around to the right.
And to the right.
Keep going. Fire hydrant. Round curve. And then we just gotta kind of start looking at the road numbers. It's 123. Next one should be 128. And then 134. And when we hit 141 and 149, that's where we're gonna turn.
Right here.
Left here, yeah.
155 is our number?
Correct. 354 next to that tan one there. And I told her we'd be sticking out in the road for a little bit while we dropped the car.
Where we gotta put the truck?
There's a couple of different places. There's over here for extra parking.
Okay, we just can't take them down here. So where are we
Well, we
going to take
could
them down?
go in sideways maybe and then turn it around. You'll just turn down here. You may have a lineup of RVs because this place is a hoppin'. They've got a little clubhouse. There's their office and laundry. And we'll go in there and take a look. Come in, you swing around here. Pull up here. Stop, go inside and register. So you check in here. And you can't have packages delivered here if they're not too huge.
Welcome.
Hi.
Yep. It's not on the water.
No Ann today?
And it's going to be in on Friday.
Oh, okay. Tell Ann that the gal that came in here for the motorcycle rides thoroughly enjoyed her maps that she provided.
Good.
You can also rent pontoons for Lake Coeur d'Alene for $3.95 for a full day. They don't do half days, along with kayaks and canoes. And their pricing is actually less than what I have discovered online at other locations. Right next door is laundry. Oh, this is nice in here.
It is nice.
And they take coins. These take coins too, yeah. Oh, $2.75.
Oh, is that what it is?
And to dry, I'm not sure how much that is.
I always go through about $1.
Oh, you put in quarters for the amount of time?
Yeah.
Even got a little cart and a place to fold your clothes. That's nice. Got a pickleball next door. And they have propane here. And this is a clubhouse. Got the girls out there and such. I can go in here or not. Nope, it's locked. You can see they got a kitchen and microwave and tables, so for special events, I suppose you can go in there. This is the map that they will give you. They do not have a pool, but they have a beach. There's no place to park to get to the beach, so you got to walk and haul all your stuff. So here's their beach area. Bring your kayaks out here, rafts. Water's nice and clean. It's really gravel, not beach. They have private docks over there. All the sites are gravel. Grass in between, you get a picnic table, no fire rings, full hookup, dumpsters in multiple areas. There's quite a few sites here, but they're all basically the same. Some are longer than others. Pretty good space in between one road to the other. There is highway noise because it is on the highway. Can't drive or park on the grass. They do not want rugs on the grass. All pets must be on a leash. No tents are allowed. They do have high water pressure here, so we're using a regulator. Quiet times are between 10 and 8 a.m. Bicycles are not allowed after sunset. All children must be at their site at dusk. No barbecue grills are allowed on the plastic picnic tables. And this is their maintenance building, boat trailer storage, and Wi-Fi room.
Library.
No pets are allowed in this area. This is a Wi-Fi library. And some movies you can borrow. Go all the way through. Got showers on the back. Check out individual rooms here for showers. Dave says that he's had good hot water. Nice having your own private room. Clean. And they have several of them. And as you keep coming, there's a little sitting area back here with a little grill. So these sites where we're at, and you see some fifth wheels and motorhomes, are about, I'd say, 60 feet.
Somewhere around there.
They have a few that are longer, but they're probably taken by somebody who comes every year or whatever. It'd be difficult to get them. But they call these their big sites. Check-in is at 2, checkout is at 11.
They have free Wi-Fi, but good luck with that. We are in Kellogg, Idaho. We're going to check out the Crystal Gold Mine from 1881. Getting ready for our gold mine tour. There's a tater salad.
Tater salad.
And I'm Karen. How about that? But I'm not going to call the manager or cause trouble.
There is no food or drink in the mine. This mine was first worked sometime in the late 1870s, early 1880s. But the date that you saw outside is just an estimate. The reason is this was an unregistered mine claim. He sold the land in 1994 to Bill and Judy Lane. Bill was a retired silver miner, and when he found out there was an old claim on the property, he was like, woohoo! He thought he had silver. He got in here, and finding everything the way that it was, kind of like a time capsule, he decided instead of just working it, he would preserve it. So that is why you guys are here today.
What you doing now, Karen?
I'm panning for gold.
Okay, a couple of them, gemstones.
Well, there's a gondola ride we're gonna take. We are at the Silver Mountain Resort, Ski Water Park and Golf here in Kellogg, Idaho. And we're gonna go take a gondola ride up into the mountain. And away we go. A lot of people with bicycles going up here.
Yeah, they ride down the mountain.
Wow. So now we got a little flat area here. Actually goes down a little and then real steep after that. I can see our RV from here.
I can see our houseboat from here.
Yeah, no kidding. I can see Mars. So they can come up on this ski lift as well. Oh, look at that, Dave. Whoa. Yeah, serious skiing. They got several ski lifts out here, Dave. There's another one there, according to that map, and there's another one over here as well. You guys done this before? At this,
Yeah.
Here?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
How is it?
Oh, fun.
Apparently you're back again.
Oh, yeah. Well,
Yeah.
this is our third run today.
Oh, no. Oh, today?
Yeah.
Oh, my gosh.
Yeah.
That is awesome. Did you take the gondola or the lift up?
The gondola so far.
Yeah, that's neat that you could take your bikes on there.
Are we being
Yes.
interviewed?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
It'll be on YouTube.
Awesome. Sounds good.
And how long does it take to get down to the bottom?
Well, it's different for everyone.
Depends on the trails you choose. Some of them are really technical and slower. Some of them are really fast rolling. So it depends on your skill level and
I'd
your
say average
confidence.
like 20 minutes, 25 minutes.
That's it?
Yeah.
Wow. Got good brakes, right?
Yep.
Which one are you taking today?
Ooh, good question. We're working that out. I don't
There's
know,
a
I'd
ton
say
of
that
them.
I'd say we do this sort of an idea.
All right.
Well, have fun. Good luck.
Thank you.
Then we took a spider bike ride to Prichard and Murray, Idaho. What a beautiful drive. Then we took a bike ride around Coeur d'Alene Lake, and it was absolutely beautiful. It's worthwhile in your car as well.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. We'd love to hear from you in the comments below, even if it's just to say hi. Don't forget to subscribe.